It's UPBOptionMillionaires.com. It's late on Tuesday, October 6, 2015, about 45 minutes after the closing bell. Quick recap here. S&P 500 futures. Look at this out of the gate. Had a nice rally, but we came back to the overnight lows. Found support, bounced again. Not as high as we hit early in the session. Came back and look after the bell. We continuing to decline close to the lows that we saw here overnight and in the middle of the session. We break through that. It's going to bring on some significant losses here to the downside. A lot of the driving to the downside after the bell is from Yum Brands reporting earnings or lack thereof, sending the stock down 18%. Also, you look from a chart perspective here. S&P 500 futures, what a rally we had after the Monday decline last week. The Carl Icahn, danger Will Robinson, danger Will Robinson. S&P 500 futures collapsed. We were down, 300 points. It's been a monumental rally. Each of the dips we see each of the days last week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and especially Friday, were bought swiftly. Look at the Tuesday, got us back to even. And then Friday, we had a massive reversal. Yesterday, continuation. Today, not so much. And if you look, each of the moves we've had off the lows, especially the low that we saw after the market crash, came up here to resistance. We almost got there today. Starting to pull back. And if you look at the S&P 500 futures, also look at the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF, the spiders. Beautiful. This is what they call a bear flag. Flip it upside down. It's a bull flag. I brought this up yesterday on Twitter. You can see the chart I was talking about. And look where we precisely came up to resistance here. Support was here. There's a bear flag consolidation. And ultimately, it's going to lead to lower prices. We're going to break out this to the downside. It's been a frustrating couple days if you're a bear in this market. Again, I look at a lot of charts. You can look at Walmart. You can look at IBM. Actually, IBM's starting to turn around a little bit. But from long-term chart perspective, a lot of these stocks continue to break down. We got a lot more room to go. And even with Walmart here, look at this continuation pattern. With the spike down, this is also a wonderful bear flag. Walmart's going to continue to the downside, surpassed by a company called Amazon. Amazon now sells the most products in the world. And if you look at the consolidation pattern here, this chart actually looks somewhat bullish. But we'll get into some other bearish names. Look at Caterpillar. This is a meow. This is what we like to call a dead cat bounce. You can see the move we've had the last couple days. They're like, hey, we're going to lay off, I don't know, a tenth of our workforce. But guess what? We're going to still buy back $1.5 billion worth of stock, which happens to be exactly the savings they're getting from laying off these employees. So we're getting a bounce on that. Of course, they're buying back stock. Nothing has changed, but looks very bearish here. And if you look from a further long-term perspective, 10-year chart, looks like we can see a lot lower prices, as this here is going to epitomize the market as we pull back down into 50, 45 range here for Caterpillar. Yeah, I think the bounce that we're seeing the last couple days is of the dead cat variety. Meow. Let's bring up Yum Brands again. Look at this chart. I mean, unbelievable. Yum is just going its merry way. 83.42 looks fabulous here. We hit our record high, pulling back a little bit. But look at this. This is a nice consolidation flagging pattern. Look at the resulting action that we're seeing here after the bell. They're like, hi-ho, we're just going to eat our chicken and whatever else they sell. I've got no idea. KFC, I don't know what they run. But look at the sales are down. And you can see the stock is just getting clobbered. This is the type of action that we're going to see for a lot of companies heading into earnings. But again, the bar has been set so abnormally low. We're low with the earnings bar. It's pretty much being able to do the limbo standing up. So we'll see how many of these corporations like Yum Brands limps and bangs into the bar somehow. All right, UPB, I'm going to cut it short here. It's a quick market video. Let's look at just a couple more charts I want to pull up. XLE Energy had a nice bounce. I was in the puts. I did not get out of them in the 66. Once that broke, I said I would get out. I did not. You can see the move. This is something that could continue to the upside. Also, Apple, I thought we were going to break down. I bought some puts today, ended at 11.31. I got the 110s. But if you look, again, from a one-year perspective, looks like it's topping here. We have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Looks like we're breaking down. Might take a little time to happen, but it's going to happen. All right, UPBOptionMillionaires.com. I'll see you later, everyone. Have a great evening. Take care.